Mod, and welcome back to another episode of That Modish Life, where we talk about all things fashion and beauty. And before we get into it, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also hit that like button because I know you're gonna like what we got in store for you guys today, because we are doing a SHEIN fall haul. I am super excited about this, you guys. So let's get into our very first thing. So I have on the dress, and this is I don't know what that was, but this is a SHEIN Mod Allover geoprint dress, and I got it in a 2X, and I'm absolutely loving this look. It is giving 70s for the fall, and I love that. Now this dress is it's a really pretty, I'm gonna get to that next, but this is actually a thicker material, and I love that for this dress. Color is beautiful, everything. Now, one thing I will say that I was hoping it would be a faux button up, so like it wasn't like actual buttons all the way down. I was hoping that it would stop maybe like either like mid chest or somewhere in here, because this is what happens. You get this gap right here with the button, and then you have to worry about either wearing something under it or safety pinning it. So definitely I'm gonna be doing one of the two things with this dress. I could also, you know, put a couple stitches in there, and so that way it doesn't open up. That's always a maybe. We'll see if that works, but definitely am feeling this look for the fall, and I love it. Now you have the collar on the dress. I'm gonna spin around and show you guys the back. So here is the back of the dress. Spin back around for you guys because I am feeling this. I love this. Oh my gosh. Definitely would wear this with maybe like a jean jacket. It's very casual. Some flats, maybe some boots. I cannot wait. Secretly, don't tell summer, but fall is like my favorite. But I'm gonna get into our next outfit. Hi, you must have known I was doing a haul.
I got it from SHEIN.
SHEIN, isn't it cute? I gotta fix this though. I'm so sad. I was like, my bust. Alright, squad, I have on our very next outfit, and I have on the plus Plaid contrast trim cardigan, and I got it in a 2X, and I'm loving this look for the fall. I did pair it with a jumpsuit, not from SHEIN, but definitely any jumpsuit could work with this. I was thinking with this cardigan, I did the jumpsuit, and I do some like high thigh boots. I think that'd be really cute for the fall. So definitely am loving this look. So the sweater is not like really soft on the inside. So if you don't like stuff scratching on your arms, then this might not be the sweater for you. Or you could try to do it with long sleeves. Now it is pretty thick. It's a really nice quality sweater. Now when you get to the arms, the material does get a little bit thinner, as well as around like the trim area of the buttons. So I do want to have a little bit more security with the buttons. As far as the hole right there, I feel like this could get stretched out over time, but I mean, for the price, the quality is pretty good overall. Let me spin around and show you guys the back. This is the back of the cardigan. I am feeling this for the fall though. Definitely, if you're not on my Instagram, hop on there, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram, and I'm gonna rock this look with the high thigh boots and just show you guys how I wear it. But I'm gonna get into our next outfit. All right, so I have on our very next outfit,
And
for the girlies that get it, but for those that don't, yeah, so I have a double wedgie right now going on, one in the front, one in the back, if you know what I mean. So yeah, we're gonna see this emoji for a minute. And I have on the zip fly wide leg jeans, and I got them in a double X, and we're gonna get to that in a second. And then I have on the plus size letter sweatshirt, and I know it doesn't say that because I forgot what it was called, but I have that on, you guys. And yes, okay, so let me just jump right into these pants, because okay, so I read the reviews, because like I always do that, and I read the reviews, and they were saying, oh, you can size down a size, yada yada yada, woo woo woo. I'm like, okay, and I'm looking at photos, I'm comparing, because that's what we do, we compare and we see, okay, she's got similar body type to me, you know, this may work. I'm gonna say say, you know, people were kind of spot on and then people were not kind of spot on. Now, the pants fit as far as the legs go because it is a wide leg pant. They're really long. But when it gets up to the waist, if you do have a little tummy wummy like me, you may need a size up. So definitely I would be looking at a 1X, and there is a difference between a XX and a 1X. So I will be looking at that just to see if that fits better. But as far as this right there, that's not gonna work. Now if I didn't have that, then I can see this functioning a little bit better. Let me spin around and show you guys the back of the jeans. So yes, I have, because there's, I don't even know if you know what? I don't even know if I'm going to show you guys the back in the edit, but definitely it's a little bit too tight. So I was just surprised that I could get it zipped up and buttoned. So definitely there's a lot going on. Now, these jeans, they're really nice quality. Everything else is fine. They're wonderful. I'd probably get them taken up, of course, because I'm a little shorty. I'm 5'5", so they're dragging on the ground. Definitely would have to get them taken up. But the only really negative thing, other than them not fitting, is that they don't have any pockets, which I mean, like, I'm still okay with. But yeah, pockets are clutch. Like, I feel like you always need pockets. So yeah, but let me go ahead and get this sweatshirt. So I am feeling the sweatshirt. I absolutely love it. I love the stripes on the sleeve. It's giving very Letterman. Now I didn't notice when I ordered it, but the trim around the A is like a forest green, so it's definitely giving some fall vibes there. Spin around and show you guys the back. Nothing really going on there, but I do love that it is like really oversized, and then you have the stripe collar on, or the stripes on the collar. It's just so wonderful. So definitely this is a great everyday casual shirt. You can throw a button up under it too. I think that would look really cute. I can't wait to really style these and post them on Instagram. So make sure you are on there following me. Yes, I'm excited, you guys. Fall, like I said, fall is like my secret crush. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna get into our next outfit. All right, so I have on a very last thing, and this is the drop shoulder ribbed knit dress. And I got it in a 2X and in green, and I am feeling this color. I love this. Definitely can dress it up, definitely can dress it down. It's like, this is like just made for me. I don't even know how to, I just keep doing like this because the sleeves are just flowing and I love it. Now, I currently just have on just my underwear and bra. Definitely probably would layer it or put something under it as with this. I don't know if I would wear, I mean, you could wear like shapewear if you wanted to. Like, I probably would wear shapewear, so that way it just snatches me in. I get a little bit more of the waist because it does have like a band right here and it kind of pulls it in, so I do like that. So I'm gonna definitely help that out when I can. So I love that. Now the sleeves, they do have like a little, I don't even know, what is this called? I know this, like, it's like a little poof sleeve. And then you have like the fitted like wrist part of the sweater. I'm not explaining this very well right now. But then you have your collar on the dress, and then this would be considered a mini dress because it is above the knee. But I don't know, I'm just like, I love this. Let me spin around and show you guys the back. So this is the back of the dress. I don't know what it is about this. It's just giving fall. I have to cut that off. There's like a little string hanging here. But it's just giving very fall vibes. I don't know. This dress is cute. But yeah, Secret Part 2 is coming soon, you guys. So I gotta do checklist, you guys. Okay, here we go. So got another video, Part 2, coming up for you guys. I got a couple more videos in the work. And then also, we have a legit or not, I know I haven't done one in a while, But I'm excited for that, so you guys stay tuned. What else, you guys? If you haven't subscribed, I told you at the beginning of the video, subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below, let me know what you like from this haul. Part 2 is coming up, so if you didn't like anything in this one, we got part 2 coming, so make sure you stay tuned. Turn on the notification bell so you know when the next video is coming, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.